So now going on to measure 37, which is the fifth measure of this excerpt, where you see the melody that's happening. So all of this works really well in fifth position. It keeps basically where you don't really have to move the left hand around very much. It mostly stays where you have these four fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, all within the zone of those 4 frets, starting with the first finger at the fifth position. So in this case, just to briefly take you through the notes, not really thinking about the rhythm, that E you see will be first finger, second string, in fifth position, fifth fret. The G will be your fourth finger on the second string. And then the F sharp will be your third finger, same string. F natural, second finger. So once again, you have E, G, F sharp, F natural, and back to E. All that's right there on those 4 frets. And then even after that, when you get up to the higher notes, in measure 41 and 42, you have E, 3 on the F sharp, 4 on the G, 1 on the A, 3 on the B, and then you have 4 on the C, and then back to the D. So once again, everything's nice and neat in those positions, or in the 1/5 position. The only exception to that, there's 2 moments that break out of the position. The first one is at the end of the third line. As you climb up that same melody, you have, and now instead of the CB, you have DB. So you're going to slide up to 7th position, up 2 frets, and have your 4th finger on the D. That's the 10th fret of the first string. And then first finger on the B. So to play, once again, the last 2 measures of the third line, you have shifting up to 7th position. Right after that, you go right back to 5th position, second finger on the B flat. And then one more exception where your first finger just kind of stretches down 1 fret to the 4th fret and goes back up to 5th. So that was from measure 47, you have that one little stretch. So basically everything from 37 to the end is 5th position, except for that one moment where you have the end of the third line, and then towards the end where you have. Other than that, practice having 1, 2, 3, 4 staying within the zone of all those frets. So you don't want to crunch your fingers together or anything, but just have it where at all times your fingers stay within the zone of those frets, except for those 2 brief exceptions.